I want to introduce Liziqi activity in China. It is important to understand that in China there is a separation between marketing and selling. I decided to speak about a beautiful video in the Bilibili and see the feedback on it. Check out her dress. Speaking about dresses, when I'm checking her Western website, Tradition is the shop team. You can find their Chinese dress, Chinese teacups, Chinese style bags and shoes. However, her activity in China mostly branded food products. In China, the online sales are made on the big e-commerce platform, such as Alibaba's Tmall and Taobao and JD. She also opened a flag store in Beijing in 2019. In Maypai, where she started, she has only 2 million followers. Guess she is not active there anymore. In her shop, you will find her food products such as noodles, tea, meat and cakes. Tmall is an online market belonging to Alibaba. You can find here any product you need. This is a B2C retail shop, where businesses sell directly to customers. In Chinese, it's called Tian Mao, Sky Cat, and the letter T stands for Tian, which is sky. Search for Liziqi and easily find her shop with her food products. Look, I found our snail soup. According to articles, she made more than 300 million yuan on Tmall sales in 2019 alone. That is more than 51 million US dollar. It seems that she is telling a joke to Liziqi. This is Via, a mega KOL in China. Marketing activities going on Baidu, WeChat, Weibo and Bilibili. Let's go back to Bilibili where I'm viewing her video. Bilibili, she has 77 million subscribers. Picks up the snails and cleans them. I didn't understand if she cooks and eats the meat of the snail. I must know, would you taste it? Or use it in the sauce? You can easily check in Bilibili what is the popular video by a simple click. There are 3 main categories. From this graph, we can learn that one of her most popular videos is about snail soup. Back to the snail soup. The subject is super hot in the Chinese media. Many viewers in the Bilibili made a react video with this product. So people take her successful products and react to them. In Bilibili, there are no direct links to the web shop, like this Chinese YouTube fish. I meant Bilibili. Fish. Oh my god, who is this person? Bilibili and Weibo are her main social activity platforms. Weibo is a social media platform combined with sales. In her Weibo, she has 72.5 million followers. YouTube, for example, she has 14.9 subscribers. I am curious to see what the Chinese people think about her. In the Baidu, it's easier to come up with all the gossip. In Baidu, I can see what are the most common keywords by scrolling down. The search keywords now are Liziqi Shanghai Villa. Is Liziqi married? Who is her husband? In China, she faces a lot of criticism. Liziqi snail powder. The product with cigarette incident is an unconventional. Industry sources, false news is more likely. Unfortunately, this is the nature of success. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and Zai Jian.